Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a BGS or Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 11, Geography of Bangladesh, page number 52 to 55, reading, fill in the blanks and matching. I repeat, our today's topic is Chapter 11, Geography of Bangladesh, page number 52 to 55, reading, fill in the blanks and matching. Dear students, look here, it is lecture number 5 and SW number 4. I repeat, it is our lecture number 5 and SW number 4 on our annual term syllabus. So, dear students, look at the title of our today's reading. It is Geography of Bangladesh. That means the name of chapter 11 is Geography of Bangladesh. Dear students, so if you open our book, page number 52, you will see there are 4 parts. That means in chapter number 11, there are 4 parts. Okay, today we will read part number 1 and 2. So, I am telling you all of you open your Bangladesh and Global Studies book, this book, Bangladesh and Global Studies book, page number 52. Page number 52, okay. I think all of you have opened your book, page number 52. So, look at your book. We will start our reading. So, I have told you that Geography of Bangladesh, this chapter has 2 parts. One is 4 parts. Today we will read only 2 parts. 2 parts is, one is topography, another one is climate. I repeat, one part is topography, another one is climate. So, look, we will start reading with the topography. Topography means the nature and formation of the land, especially its height. So, I am telling again, look here, topography means the nature and the formation of the land, especially its height. So, we will go to the next, it is hilly areas. So, look at the part of topography, at first hilly areas. Most areas of our country are plain land. However, there are some hills in the southeast and northeast regions of the country. The hills of southeast are located in the districts of Khagrasari, Rangamati, Bandarban and Chattogram. The highest peak of the country is Tajingdong at 1280 meters. So, look at the highest peak, its name is Tajingdong, it is about 1280 meters. The second highest peak is Keokradong. What is it? It is Keokradong at 1230 meters. Both of these hills, that means Tajingdong and Keokradong, are in Bandarban. There are forests in these hills. This forest has enhanced the beauty of Bangladesh. So, look, there are forests and this forest has increased the beauty of Bangladesh. So, hilly areas is done. Now, highland. Look here, it is highland. Below hilly areas are areas of highland with old alluvial soil. So, look at the meaning of old alluvial soil. Old alluvial soil represents pertaining to the soil deposited by stream. So, below you will get the little bit description. So, alluvial soil means pertaining to the soil deposited by stream where silt was deposited. So, look here, you will get a little description, the little meaning of the alluvial soil where silt was deposited from rivers long ago. These highlands are marked in blue on the map. So, if you look at your book page number 52, there is a picture and in this picture you will get the description of highland and you will see a little picture of highland. Next one is plains. So, after highlands it is plains. Plains have new alluvial soil and slope down from north to the south. Many rivers flow through these plains and they are often flooded. So, Bangladesh is called a riverine country. So, look here, we have many rivers and as a result we have to face flood. So the land formed with new alluvial soil is very fertile. So we have got an information here that alluvial soil is very fertile, very productive. So part number 2 now, that means topography is done. Now part number 2, it is climate. Look, part number 2 is climate. We often say there are 6 seasons in Bangladesh. These are summer, rainy, autumn, late autumn, winter and spring. The climate of Bangladesh falls into 3 main types based on temperature and rainfall. So look at the 3 main types. It is summer season at first. So look, the summer runs from March to May. So look at the line again. The summer runs from the month March to May. The temperature rises up to 35 degrees, more than 35 degrees nowadays, Celsius during this time. April is the hottest month of the year. Then the storms begins with Kal Boishakhi in April or May. So look at the name of the storm, it is Kal Boishakhi. In the matching we will get the Kal Boishakhi, okay, we will get about Kal Boishakhi. So then the storms begin with Kal Boishakhi in April or May. Okay, next page. Rainy season. At first summer season is done, now rainy season. The rainy season lasts from June to October. The monsoon, that means the rainy season, blows northwards from the Bay of Bengal, bringing heavy rain. Okay, whenever monsoon blows, it will bring heavy rain. The average rainfall in this season is 203 centimeters. So look here, average rainfall in this season is 203 centimeters. Now last part is winter season. It is winter season, that means cold season. The temperature starts to drop after rainy season. The winter lasts from November to February. So look here, the winter lasts, that means duration of winter is November to February. It is the coldest in the north. That means in the north it is very cold with average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Okay. However, it does not fall cold as snow in Bangladesh. So look at example, that means in Bangladesh it doesn't fall cold or doesn't fall cold as snow. Okay. Now our reading session is done. So in the topography we have read, in the climate we have also read. Now we will go to our main session, question answer session. It is match the seasons with their characteristics. So look here, it is matching, match the season with their characteristics. So look here, in the left part it is written 3, in the right part it is written 4. No problem, you will give your attention. Number 1, summer. So look here, summer represents monsoon, no. Kal Boishakhi, yes, it can hit these 2. So look here, it is I1 plus 1 plus, okay, we will write 2 at first, 1 plus 2. That means summer represents Kal Boishakhi. Kal Boishakhi, S-H-A-K-I, okay, K-H-I, Kal Boishakhi. I am telling again, that means 1 number represents 2, 1 represents 2, 1, 2, that means summer Kal Boishakhi. So look at the passage, in summer we see Kal Boishakhi. In summer is related to Kal Boishakhi. Number 2, number 1 has another part, but we will go to later. So look here, rains is related to, so look here, monsoon, Kal Boishakhi done, heat no, cold. So rains is related to monsoon. 2 number is 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, if we go to the passage we will see this. That means, so look here, rainy season represents the monsoon. Rainy season represents monsoons. So rains. Rains represents monsoon. Number 3, winter. Okay, in winter we see cold in the passage. Look, that means it doesn't cold. Okay, fall cold. So winter represents cold. 3 number is IV. winter cold. Another one is left, that is, so what is left here? Kalboishaki done, then monsoon is done, cold is done, then heat. We all know that heat is related to summer. So 1 number has another point, it is 1 is 3. Summer heat. So dear students, look here for your understanding. It is 1 plus 2, that means 1 is summer, that means summer represents Kalboishaki, because we know that Kalboishaki occurs in summer season. Summer season Kalboishaki. 2 rains, rains means monsoons. So rain is related to monsoons. Look here. Number 3 is winter, winter is related to cold. Number 1, that means summer again, summer is related to heat. Okay, now matching session is done. We will go to fill in the blanks. Look here, I have given 4 fill in the blanks. Dash means the nature and formation of the land, especially its height. So look at the very beginning of our passage. Dash means the nature and formation of the land, especially its height. So here it will be topography. Follow me. Topo, T-O-P-O, topography, G-R-A-P-H-Y. I repeat, T-O-P-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y, topography. Topography means the nature and formation of the land, especially its height. Number 2, the highest peak of the country is Tajingdong, is at dash meters. So look at the passage. The highest peak of the country is at Tajingdong. Okay, Tajingdong at 1280 meters. It will be 1280, 1280 meters. It is 1280 meters. Number 3, the rainy season lasts from June to dash. Rainy season, look here. The rainy season lasts from June to October. The rainy season lasts from June to October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. Last one is the dash runs from March to May. It is related to our summer season. Look here, dash runs from March to May. So look here, the summer runs from March to May. It is summer. S-U-M-M. So number 1 is topography. Number 2 is 1280 meters. Number 3 is October. And number 4 is summer. Runs from March to May. Dear students, look at the end of our board. It is written SW chapter number 11. That means this chapter 11. Fill in the blanks and matching. So look here. These 4 fill in the blanks. These 4 fill in the blanks and matching this represents. Okay. That means your SW is fill in the blanks and matching. Dear students, one important thing. I am very much happy to share with you that many of you have submitted your SW or submit your SW. But still I see that few of you don't submit your SW. I hope that on the next Sunday you will submit your SW, those who did not submit their SW before. And dear students, read the text again and again, keep practicing, fill in the blanks and matching, and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.